Beacons AI, the hype versus the reality. Welcome everyone back to this channel, and that's what we're going to be looking at today. Now, Beacons AI, also known as, is this AI sidekick worth the boss or just another robot overlord? Let's face it, choosing a creative tool is like picking a pizza topping. Some are cheesy good, some are overpriced mushrooms, and others promise the world, but deliver a sad, soggy crust. Here is the no BS breakdown of Beacons AI, served with a side of humor. So let's get started. Beacons AI, the good, the bad, and the wait, what? Exactly. When it comes to ease of use, the pros include, when I say pros, I mean the cheesy good stuff, and when I say cons, I mean the soggy crust. So the pros are, it is so easy that your cat could do it too, probably, because it uses drag and drop links and there's no coding needed. While when it comes to the con for that particular one, customization is equal to picking between 3 font colors. Do you want neon or pink? If you don't, well, tough luck. Now let's look at all-in-one hub. When it comes to the all-in-one hub, the pro is that Beacons AI has a LinkedIn bio, a store, and email all in one, like a Swiss Army knife, but for influencers. While the con is that the all-in-one sometimes means jack of all trades, master of none, because if you need advanced analytics, well, good luck with that. Moving on, when you look at the AI magic of Beacons AI, it has AI bio writer, which means no more existential crisis over your Instagram bio. But the con is that AI generated emails sounds like a robot wrote them. Yes, the AI generated emails sound like a robot wrote them. Well, because it actually did. Anyway, moving on. When it comes to pricing, Beacons AI has free plan, which is great for broke creators eating ramen like us. And then you look at the con of this, you pay $10 a month for pro features. That is roughly 3 avocado toasts. Priorities, people. Moving on, mobile friendly. Let's look at the mobile friendly category. Beacons AI works on your phone because who uses a computer anymore, right? But when it comes to the con, desktop editing, anyone? If you try using it in a desktop, it's clunkier than your uncle's Windows 98. Customer support. Moving on. Now, Beacons AI has helpful docs and chatbots if you enjoy talking to walls. And when it comes to the con, actual humans, rarer than a TikTok trend lasting more than a week. So what's the final verdict? Should you swipe right on Beacons AI? Well, if you're a creator who just wants a simple, pretty link hub without selling a kidney, then Beacons AI is your BFF. But if you're a control freak who needs pixel perfect design or deep analytics, you might, rage quite faster than a gamer losing Wi-Fi if you use Beacons. So, what am I trying to say? For casual creators, heck yeah, it's great for you. Use it. For power users, maybe, but also maybe not. Now go forth and conquer. Just don't blame us if your AI bio calls you a potato enthusiast. Unless you're one, then own it. Are you still confused? Drop your questions below in the comment section. We promise not to respond in robot voice. See you in the next video.